Okay, good evening, friends. I'm sure you guys are safe and sound at home. And this is a short clip which I have made for everyone who is not aware of the function called SUMIF. So I'm sure everybody might be aware of the function called sum in Excel, which actually helps you to add two datas or multiple datas or numbers together to simplify your work. So I'm sure that sum is not a new thing for anybody. I'm sure some if functions many people are aware and some of them are not aware, but not to worry. With this short video, I'm going to help you explain what is the function of sum if and why we use it and how we use it. That's exactly we're going to understand in this session. So without any further delay, we're going to proceed with the demo. Okay, so I'll just share the screen, which will help you to understand what is the function of SUMIF. Now, this is a function in Excel which helps you to add any data range with a given condition to it. Guys, you need to understand that if you are giving a condition to a sum function, then the formula is SUMIF, or it can be SUMIF if s also. So that's another function of sum. So maybe I'm going to make another video for SUMIFS. So as if now we're going to first start learning what is SUMIF function. So as the definition which I've written here is, you use a SUMIF function to sum the values in a range that meet criteria that you specify. So remember a couple of seconds back, I mentioned that when you attach a criteria, when you're adding few numbers or sales figures or any HR related data in that criteria, so you need to use the function called SUMIF function in Excel. This is very easy, guys. You don't have to panic. You don't have to break your head on this. This is very, very simple. And to simplify things, I have just come up with an example of it. It's a short example which will help you understand what exactly it is. So now, starting with, we're going to see the first column is category. Second one is item list, and there's a cost attached to it. So now, for example, any organization or any company or any institution, or it might be at home, you might buy certain things and you categorize them as stationery. Some might be equipments, so you write the equipments, and some might be the type of furnitures you have bought for the college, for the school, for the company, for any institution. Now, when we further break down this category, what exactly you have bought. So it could be files, papers, pens, equipment, writing machines, Xerox machine, furnitures can be chair, table, drawer, and there's a cost to which you have added. So guys, this can be used in your professional life as well as in your personal data also when you are budgeting for your home or you want to add that what could be the possible expense for one particular category of the expense. So now, how do we frame the formula? As usual, I have told in all the sessions, we're going to first start with an equal to, isn't it? So when we write equal to, we're going to give the formula SUMIF. Okay. So remember that we're going to attach one condition to it. That's the reason we are using SUMIF, and we are not using the simple function of sum. So now, as usual, we're going to put the open bracket so that we give the range of the category which we are looking at. Guys, we need to also remember that this is just a short example, a short tabular form of example. Here I'm talking about basically the extensive data, a very long list of exhaustive data like 5,000, 6,000 line items, where the ranges are very, very high in thousands. So in that case, this function is very, very useful. So I request everybody that you guys take time, you can listen to this video more than once to understand what is the functionality of SUMIF. So now here what we have done is, I'll just delete this, I'll go back once again. I have put equal to, I have written SUMIF, open bracket, and here I am giving the total range from where the data should read. Now, after giving the range, we're going to put comma here, and we're going to write a condition to it. That's the main part of it. So what we are actually looking at, let's see, we are looking at the total cost of the furnitures from this table. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell Excel that please read the details of all the furnitures in this Excel and give me the total cost of the total expense which has been incurred for the furnitures. So now what we have done as if now is we have given the range here and we have also given the category name, isn't it? Now we're going to again put a comma and we're going to tell the Excel that, okay, my ranges is from 2400 to 1320. So it should read from the complete range of my report and extract only the furniture cost and give me the sum of it. Okay. So now our formula is complete. So remember, when we complete a formula, we close it with a close-ended bracket. So now again, I repeat, it's equal to sum if, bracket open, we give the range of the categories. We're going to write exactly the category name, which is mentioned in the report. And guys, it has to be a common name. There should not be, differences in the spelling of furnitures. Some of them were written furniture, some may be a short form. So guys, we need to be very, very careful that all the categories are very rightly defined and it is commonly written in the entire report. So here we have written furnitures and then we have given you what is the range of the cost here from where the data should read. So after closing bracket, we're going to hit enter and there you go. It's 4,220 is the total cost of the furniture from the report, which gives you 4220, which is the cost. So now just to cross check. So what you do is you just select these three of the line items, which is nothing but your furnitures. And we just want to cross check here. It's 4,220. So let's see, for example, let's give an example. To cross check, it's 1300 plus 1600 plus 1320. So guys, it's just only to cross check whether the formula which we have inserted is absolutely right or wrong. Say here. So it is definitely matching up. So guys, now see how simple it is to use SUMIF function. Here in SUMIF function, you can attach many conditions to it. For example, you can give more than equal to data or less than equal to data. So there might be many other ways to write SUMIF function in Excel. And I'm sure by now you would be familiar with SUMIF functions. So you guys have to practice. You can go to Google, go to many practice lessons on SUMIF, on different scenarios, on different scenario-specific model test papers, which will really help you to understand what is SUMIF function. Okay, so this was just a demo for you guys to understand that how the SUMIF function works. So I'm sure this would not be a very difficult assignment or very difficult concept to grasp. And coming back now to the main screen here. So yes, so guys, as usual, I always repeat that in case if you guys have any doubt, any query pertaining to this function, you can always get back to me. You can send me a WhatsApp message or you can just message me normally. You can call me anytime. So I'll be more than happy to help you then. All right. So again, remember the motive. We are going to learn this together and we all are together in this learning. Thank you so much then. Take care. Bye-bye.